Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload PDF or post PDF on your Facebook. So one thing you have to note down is that there's no feature on Facebook that will allow you to post PDF files directly on your profile. However, in order to proceed further, you would need to download a cloud storage application on your mobile phone. So for now, I'm just gonna launch Google Drive on my mobile device. Okay, so let's open Drive. Now at the bottom right corner, just above Files, you will see a plus icon. Just tap on it. Now over here, you'll see various options, but for now, just tap on Upload File right here. Now you have to tap on the option of Browse. Okay, let's tap on it. Now you'll come across your files and tap on the PDF file that you would want to upload on your Facebook profile right here. Now, once the file is uploaded, just tap on it and open the file and tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now over here you'll come across various options, but for now we are going to tap on Manage Access right here just below Share. Okay, now just tap on Restricted. By doing this step, you will be able to share your PDF with a greater number of audiences. Now tap on Anyone with the link just below. Now your access has been changed. Now you'll see an icon just beside General Access at the top right corner, which will help you copy the link of the PDF that you are willing to post on your Facebook profile. Now just tap on it. And now let's go back and open our Facebook application on our mobile device. Now just tap on What's on Your Mind just at the top. Okay, now you can select your default audience according to your choice. I'm going to tap on Friends and then select Save at the bottom. Now, just tap on What's on Your Mind and then paste the link of the PDF that you had copied, and then simply tap on Post after pasting the PDF link. Now, in order to make sure if your file has been posted, just tap on the menu icon at the bottom, then tap on your profile. Scroll down below and you can see that the link of your PDF file to your drive has successfully been posted. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further informative tutorial videos.